Bilingual investing, breaking investing barriers. Jay here with you guys today with a short but brief video about our bilingual investing community giveaway, guys. You want to give back, to our community. But before we do so, make sure you guys like the video if you enjoy this type of content, our educational videos, crypto climate, sub to our YouTube channel. If you haven't done so already, click on the notification bell, to just stay tuned to all our brand new videos. So now moving on to our giveaway very briefly. I'm fresh off a small successful trade that I just made, and I'm feeling like giving away some of the profits to my amazing community. In order to qualify, check below. So it's simple, guys. Just 3 simple things, and then, a couple of rules down here. So again, subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's easy. You guys come to our YouTube channel. Jay, how do I subscribe? You can find in the description. The link in the description below takes you to our website. You come over here, click on YouTube. It'll take you to our YouTube channel. If you haven't done so already, subscribe, click on the notification bell, and then you'll guys be done with the first part of the giveaway. Number 2, follow our Twitter page. So again, you come to our website here. The description is in the link, below this video. Then you find our Twitter page. Click on it. It'll take you to our Twitter page. You come here. There's going to be a follow button for you guys. You click on it, and then that's the second part of the giveaway. The third part is just comment on the following video. So there's going to be a link in the description below as well. It's going to take you to this video, top 5 tips for cryptocurrency investors. You can come over here, like the video, watch it, again, like it if you enjoy it, and then leave a comment down below with the description that we are going to go over through in a brief moment. So again, guys, 1 entry per person via their YouTube account. 2 lucky winners will win 10 BUSD each, essentially $10 each. So, keep that in mind. That's the prize. Include your BUSD receiving address with your memo in your video comment. So when you come over to this video and you watch it, you like it, we would appreciate it. Then you come and comment down below. You need to include your BUSD receiving address. Jay, how do I get that? Just very briefly. If you haven't opened your Binance account, this is just an example. In our website, the description is in the link down below. You can get access, if you don't have already, to many different cryptocurrency exchanges. Binance U.S, Binance International, which is the example that we're going to use in this video. You can also have KuCoin, FTX. There's a bunch of exchanges, right? You want one that, deals with BUSD. So which one better? BUSD is the stable coin, the Binance stable coin. So usually people go to Binance and they just use Binance. There's also decentralized wallets as well that can accept, that have BUSD receiving addresses, but we want to keep it simple. Just go to Binance. If you haven't done so, make sure you click right here. Once you do, it's going to take you over to Binance. Let's click on it so you guys can see, right? You're going to sign up, click on it, sign up over here, create an account if you haven't done so already. Once you get to your overview, wallet overview, which you click wallet overview, it takes you here to your overview, right? What you want to click on is deposit. So let's click deposit. You're going to click on crypto deposit, right? You're going to come over here. You're going to select BUSD. Again, if you have to watch this video a couple of times, if you're new to this, make sure you watch it a couple of times. Just follow the steps. It's pretty easy. Then the network that you're going to select is BNB Beacon Chain BEP2. Okay, make sure it's the right network. So you click on it. Okay. And then both address and memo are required. So you click OK. This is the information that you're going to include in your comment. So again, you're going to come here. Let's say you're going to comment, right? You would come to deposit, copy the address, go back, paste it. And then you also paste the memo. Copy the memo, paste it, boom. So that's the first part of the requirements, of the giveaway in this section down here. So the winners will be randomly selected from my YouTube subscribers. How, Jay? Can you show us? Yeah, we're going to use this app right here is a YouTube comment picker. So let's put, for example, this video, which is the video that you would need to comment on. Let's say you commented, okay, I come over here, enter the YouTube URL, it pulls it up. It's going to show the amount of comments. We're going to load them. And then from all those comments, the app is going to automatically pick the winners, 2 of you guys, 10 BUSD each. And then we would, with your address left in the comment section down here, we would go ahead and send the BUSD to the address with the memo. Keep that in mind. Very important to those winners. So keep that in mind. We plan to announce the winners on October 31st, either via Twitter post and or a YouTube video like this one, most likely, or a short. So stay tuned. And also, as the last part of the giveaway, include your answers to these 2 questions in your video comment. For the most part, they're yes or no answers, but if you want to describe, a little bit more, we would also appreciate that. So it would be, and in the description down below, we're going to include those questions where you could just copy the questions, come to the video, paste them here under your address, and then answer them yes or no. If you can describe them a little bit more, we would appreciate that. And then after that, you just comment. We want to keep it simple. It might seem like a lot, but it's easy. It's just copy paste a couple of steps, and then you already qualify for the giveaway. So the questions are: have you ever watched any of your YouTube cryptocurrency videos? So that would be yes if you're already watching this video. And then number 2, would you recommend our cryptocurrency educational content to any of your friends and family members? So again, disclaimer, no purchase is necessary to enter or win by participating in the giveaway. You have affirmatively accepted and agreed to all the giveaway rules and terms and conditions established by the sponsor, Bilingual Investing in this case. So thank you for your understanding. And then you just join, the giveaway. So it's simple, guys. It's really, really simple. Guys, if you're excited to join the giveaway, make sure you guys follow these steps, like this video, follow us on Twitter. Just follow the steps. It's going to be easy. Then you put yourself, in to have the chance and the opportunity to earn that prize and earn that reward. So we really appreciate your time and attention. Have a good one.